Have you ever wondered why some massive trucks cruise down the highway with tires floating above the road like they're defying gravity? Today, we're revealing the engineering truth behind this mystery that's puzzled drivers for decades. Before we dive into why these tires are playing hopscotch with the highway, let's talk about what makes a truck tick. Understanding truck axles is like understanding the foundation of your house. You might not think about it every day, but everything depends on it working right. An axle, in its simplest form, is a rod or shaft that connects two wheels and carries the weight of whatever's sitting on top of it. Think of it as the backbone of your truck's mobility. These aren't just simple metal bars. They're precision-engineered components that handle thousands of pounds while spinning at highway speeds. Here's how the whole system works together. Your engine generates power, sends it through the transmission, down the drive shaft, into the differential, and finally, to the axles. Those axles then turn the wheels, and boom, you're moving forward. It's a beautiful mechanical symphony that's been refined over decades of American trucking innovation. Now, not all axles are created equal. There are 4 main types you'll find on modern trucks, and each one has a specific job to do. First up are steering axles. These lie at the front of your truck and do exactly what you'd expect. Without them, you'd be driving a very expensive, very heavy missile with no way to change direction. Some trucks also have steering axles in the back to create a shorter turning radius. Then you've got drive axles, typically located at the rear of the truck. These are your workhorses. They receive power from the engine and translate it into forward motion. But here's where things get really interesting, and we start getting closer to solving our floating tire mystery. There are 2 other types of axles that separate the pros from the weekend warriors. Tag axles sit at the very rear of the truck and provide additional support for heavy loads. Some folks call them bogie axles, depending on where you learned your trucking terminology. These are like having an extra set of shoulders to help carry a heavy load. And finally, we have lift axles. And folks, these are the stars of our show today. Lift axles are often positioned between the drive axles, and here's their superpower. They can be raised or lowered depending on what the situation demands. When you see those tires floating above the road, you're looking at lift axles in their raised position. But why would any sane truck driver want to lift perfectly good tires off the road? Seems wasteful, right? Well, hold on to your coffee cup, because the reasons are more brilliant than you might think. If you're enjoying learning about the engineering marvels that keep America's freight moving, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We've got plenty more trucking secrets to share. Let's start with grip and traction. When a truck is fully loaded, we're talking 80,000 pounds of cargo and truck combined. Those lift axles can be lowered to distribute all that weight more evenly across multiple contact points with the road. More tires touching the ground means more grip, especially when Mother Nature decides to throw rain, snow, or ice into the equation. Think about it like this. If you're trying to push a heavy box across the floor, you get better control and less slipping if you use both hands instead of just one. Same principle applies to trucks. More contact points mean better control and safer operation. Ground pressure is another huge factor that most people never consider. When you've got a fully loaded truck, you're essentially driving around with the weight of several elephants pressing down on the road surface. That kind of pressure can damage roads, especially softer surfaces or areas under construction. By lowering those lift axles and spreading the weight across more tires, you're reducing the pounds per square inch hitting any single spot on the road. It's like the difference between a woman walking across your lawn in high heels versus the same woman walking across in snowshoes. The weight's the same, but the impact is completely different. Load adjustments are where lift axles really show their versatility. Different states and jurisdictions have different weight limits for individual axles. What's legal in Texas might get you a hefty fine in California. Lift axles give drivers the ability to adjust their weight distribution on the fly, ensuring they stay within legal limits no matter where their route takes them. Here's where the economics get really interesting. Fuel efficiency. Running additional axles creates more rolling resistance. When you're running empty or with a light load, lifting those extra axles reduces that resistance, improving your miles per gallon. In an industry where fuel costs can make or break a business, every fraction of a mile per gallon matters. Over the course of a year, the fuel savings from properly managing lift axles can add up to thousands of dollars per truck. Legal regulations play a massive role in lift axle management. Overweight violations aren't just expensive, they can put a driver out of service and cost a company its reputation. Lift axles provide a safety net, allowing drivers to adjust their configuration to stay compliant with local laws. The maintenance angle is something most people never think about, but it's huge for fleet operators. When lift axles are raised, those tires aren't rolling down the highway, accumulating miles and wear. The axles themselves aren't experiencing the constant stress of supporting weight and turning. This extends component life significantly, reducing replacement costs and downtime. We're talking about tires that can cost several $100s each, and axle components that can run into the thousands. When you multiply that across a fleet of trucks, the savings become substantial. Safety is perhaps the most critical benefit of lift axles. When fully loaded, having those additional axles lowered provides more braking power. More tires in contact with the road means more surface area for braking friction, which translates to shorter stopping distances and better control in emergency situations. The stability factor can't be overstated either. Additional axles help distribute weight more evenly, reducing the risk of rollovers during cornering or sudden maneuvers. In an industry where safety is paramount, every advantage matters. So, how do these lift axles actually work? It's simpler than you might think, but elegant in its execution. Most liftable axles are connected to the truck's air suspension system. Inside the cab, the driver has a switch that controls airflow to airbags mounted on the axle assembly. When the driver activates the switch, compressed air flows into the airbags, inflating them and raising the axle off the ground. When the switch is deactivated, the air releases from the airbags and the axle lowers back down until the tires make contact with the road surface. The whole process takes just seconds and can be done while driving, though most drivers prefer to make adjustments when stopped for safety reasons. It's like having a hydraulic jack built right into your truck, controlled from the comfort of your driver's seat. You'll find lift axles most commonly on long-haul trucks that regularly run both loaded and empty, dump trucks that need maximum weight capacity when loaded, but better fuel efficiency when empty, and construction vehicles that encounter varying load requirements throughout their workday. The versatility of lift axles makes them invaluable for operations where load weights vary significantly. Now, if you're finding this deep dive into trucking technology as fascinating as we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started with the engineering marvels that keep America moving. The economics of lift axles extend beyond just fuel savings and maintenance costs. They allow smaller trucking companies to compete with larger fleets by maximizing the versatility of each vehicle. Instead of needing separate trucks for different load types, one properly equipped truck can handle a wider range of hauling scenarios. From a regulatory standpoint, lift axles help drivers navigate the complex web of state and federal weight regulations. What's perfectly legal in one state might be overweight in another, and lift axles provide the flexibility to adjust on the go, rather than having to reroute or offload cargo. So there you have it, folks. The complete truth behind those mysterious floating tires. They're not defying gravity or suffering from mechanical failure. They're actually showcasing some of the most practical engineering solutions in the transportation industry. Those lift axles represent decades of innovation focused on safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. Every time you see tires riding above the road, you're witnessing a driver making smart decisions about fuel economy, load distribution, and legal compliance. Next time you're sharing the highway with one of these engineering marvels, you'll know exactly what's happening and why. The trucking industry continues to evolve, finding smarter ways to move America's freight safely and efficiently. Remember to subscribe for more insights into the technology that keeps our economy rolling. And as always, keep those wheels turning safely out there. The best solutions often look simple on the surface, but carry the weight of brilliant engineering underneath.